So what is going to be the best noise-canceling earbuds for you in 2022? In this video, we'll break down the top 3 best noise-canceling earbuds on the market this year based on performance and situations they'll be used in. So whether you're looking for something for the gym, work, casual use, or anything in between, stay tuned. We'll have the perfect option for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First up, the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds. Bose's QuietComfort Earbuds deliver good comfort, great sound quality, and top-notch noise cancellation, outperforming many other wireless earbuds on the market. While they're not the smallest earbuds you can get, they offer a secure, comfortable fit thanks to the included set of silicone ear tips and fins. The tips have a conical design that flares outward, making it unnecessary to penetrate your ear canal just to get a good fit and achieve passive noise cancellation. These earbuds have a sound signature that favors the low end and can easily compete with some of the heavy hitters like Apple's AirPods Max over-the-ear headphones and Sony's WF-1000XM4 earbuds that we'll see later in the video. The QuietComfort earbuds offer 3 levels of active noise cancellation, including a transparency mode that could be used when you still want to be aware of your surroundings. The ANC also improves sound quality on phone calls, making you and your caller sound as good as possible, no matter where you are. The QuietComfort earbuds are rated with IPX4 water resistance, perfect for intense workouts both indoors and out. The battery provides up to 6 hours of playback on a full charge, and for easy recharging, you can use either USB-C or wireless charging. The charging case also holds enough power for 2 additional top-ups, and if you're in a hurry, a quick charge feature will give you about 2 hours of playback with a short 15-minute charge. If sound quality and comfort are at the top of your must-have list, the Bose QuietComfort Buds are a very good choice. These earbuds are perfect for working out, taking calls, or getting immersed in your favorite playlist. Next up, the Sony WF-1000XM4, our pick for best overall noise-canceling earbuds. Sony's WF-1000XM4 true wireless earbuds are the best noise-canceling earbuds you can get right now, and are ideal for listening to music, taking calls, and working out. These earbuds feature a smooth, rounded design, making them fit well in your ears. Once you've enabled the active noise cancellation, the world around you takes a step back, so you can listen with no distractions. The effect is further heightened by the included polyurethane ear tips that provide an additional layer of passive noise reduction and a more comfortable and secure overall fit. While the XM4s offer a good amount of low frequency, like the Bose QuietComfort earbuds, they don't stop there. The 6mm drivers deliver bass sounds with good texture and detail that comes across clean and well-defined, helping to prevent the low end from muddying up the mids and highs. You can also tweak the overall sound using the EQ on the companion app to fine-tune whatever you're listening to. The battery will give you up to 8 hours of music playback with noise cancellation enabled, or up to 12 hours with it disabled. You can get up to 5.5 hours for calls with ANC and 6 hours with it turned off. When you're not using them, these earbuds are stored and recharged in the included charging case. You can top up the XM4s a couple of times before you have to fully charge the case using USB-C or wireless charging. If you're looking for a set of true wireless earbuds with great sound quality and active noise cancellation across the board, the Sony WF-1000XM4 earbuds are an excellent choice. Add to that a comfortable, secure fit and good battery life, and you have the best noise-canceling earbuds available right now. Last but not least, the Beats Studio Buds. The Beats Studio Buds deliver a good fit, great sound, and solid active noise cancellation, and are the first set of Apple-owned Beats earbuds to feature quick pairing with Android devices. These rock-solid true wireless earbuds are very comfortable to wear and offer good performance for the price that makes them a decent alternative to the king of true wireless earbuds, the Sony WF-1000XM4s. Beats designed the Studio Buds with a proprietary chip that lets them work with both Apple and Android phones. The chip doesn't provide features like multi-point pairing with other Apple devices or hands-free Siri like the H1 and W1 chips are known for, but does enable Bluetooth 5.2 and support for both Find My in iOS and Find My device in Android, which is great if you ever happen to misplace them. When listening to music, the spatial audio feature makes everything sound great. Unlike previous Beats earbuds that blasted you with thumping bass, the Studio Buds have a lively sound quality that elevates both the high and low end of the mix. The noise cancellation performs moderately well, keeping the dull roar of office conversation to a minimum, and helps to dampen the roar of the jet engines on a plane or the ear-shaking rattles of a subway car. Battery life is marginal at just 5 hours per charge, with an additional 15 hours banked in the charging case. And like the Bose QuietComfort earbuds and the Sony WF-1000XM4 earbuds, The Beats Studio Buds support fast charging, giving you 1 hour of playback time from just 5 minutes in the case. The Beats Studio Buds aren't the best noise-canceling earbuds out there, but they are on the more affordable side compared to the QuietComfort and WF-1000XM4, and are a good choice if you want to save some money. They offer a good mix of price and performance, and are very comfortable to wear for extended periods of time. If you guys like this video or this video helped you, please give the video a like. Links to all the products mentioned are in the description below. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date on the latest and greatest in tech. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.